Hey YouTube, JT here. I figure I got some time today, shoot this video, tie the masters over for the weekend. Plus, as you can see, I got something super sweet to show you. So Microtech Halo 5 out the front knife. This thing is just beautiful. So let me show you the blade. It says USA Microtech Halo Roman numeral 5-T. This is a Tonto edge knife. This is D2 steel. There's a Stonewashed finish. And this thing is massive. The blade length is 4.6 inches. Overall length 10.75 inches. This handle is 6.1 inches. It's anodized T6 aircraft aluminum. It weighs 5.8 ounces. Besides being a big blade, it's also thick. 3/8 of an inch. It's got some good jimping here. And on the bottom. So this is a single action out the front knife. Whereas a double action, you press the actuator, firing button, knife goes out, you press it again, it comes back in. This, the knife goes out. You have to depress that button again. But then you have to pull on this charging handle to retract the blade. This is made from a billet of machined titanium. It says again Microtech Halo 5, the date 10/2010, serial number 01559. So this thing was being made while I was on vacation in Disneyland. There's several guys who have videos out on the Halo 5. I think one was Apophis. I think my buddy Mac J Mill SX. And then Cajun Blaze. I watched his video the other night. He says it comes out like shakalaka boom. I think it sounds more like Wolverine's claws. This is a real cool knife. And you know, some out the front knives are not really used for fighting. I mean, I'm still going to carry my Emersons and Striders. But this comes with a ballistic nylon sheet. And I think they improved on it. So I seen that old sheet on Cajun Blaze's video. It just had like a loop. But these have a more reinforced belt loop here. And some other, you know, MOLLE attachments. Like I said, I think this would be a good knife if you had to use it in a fight. But I think I would use it more like, you know, like Jack Bauer in 24. It'd be a instrument during interrogations. I can just picture somebody, some poor sap duct taped to a chair, or a guy handcuffed with his hands behind a pole, or maybe his hands overhead chained to an overhead pipe, and then telling him, "Where are your rebel friends? We have ways of making you talk." Oh, that just brings a warm feeling inside. So that's the Microtech Halo 5. Oh yeah, price. I went to the site. The site was under construction for the Halo 5 section, so I couldn't get the exact MSRP. But when I checked several other sites, they range between $673.75 to to $699. I got this from BladeHQ for $485. Right? You guys have a great weekend. Watch your 6. JT out.